Let's roll out our drums of celebration and red carpet of welcome to the guest lecturer. Okay, my people. I'll give you everybody be a man of that's our guest lecturer today. You're welcome. It's a privilege to have you around. The hitches and the bottlenecks. He earned his PhD in 2016 at the University of Unya'S State and MSc in Political Science International Relations option from the University of Ibadan, Oyo State in 2009. Before that, he received a Bachelor of Arts degree in 2004 from Abia State University, Uturu, where he got a solid foundation in history and international relations and acquired the necessary skills for advanced research. Dr. Unya'S has served as an associate editor in many reputable journals in Nigeria. He is currently a serving editor in Okpara University of Agriculture, Umudike, Journal of Sustainable Social and Management Sciences. Dr. Unya'S has authored over 60 journal articles and book chapters. Apart from the books he co-authored with his colleagues, Dr. Unya'S is the author of 3 books, African Union and the Challenges of Continental Integration in Africa, Themes in Nigerian History and Governance, and A Decade of Melody in Humanities and Social Sciences, a compendium in research, scholarship, and community studies in Okpara University of Agriculture, Umudike. Dr. Unya'S is a member of the Historical Society of Nigeria, HSN, Political Science Association of Nigeria, PSAN, and the Faculty of Arts and Humanities Scholars Association of Nigerian Universities. Dr. Unya'S is also active in community service and development, having served as the Inaugural Youth President between 2013 to 2016. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm handing over the microphone to the man so described to present this public lecture, marking the inaugural public lecture on the age grade system for rural development in Igbo land, a case study of Afikpo village group. Shall we put our hands together as I do?